What is going on, guys? It is your least favorite moto vlogger, Brian636. Have a really cool video for you guys. A lot of people have requested these tank trick videos in the past, in the comments, in the messages, whatever. And it's something that we have not covered on this channel yet. As some of you guys know, and maybe some of you guys do not know, there's a lot of variations of tank tricks. A lot of people ask, about the tank in the first place. So I figured let's start getting into the tricks that are actually done on the tank. I am going to start with the first tank trick I learned and progress on. So today we're going to teach you how to do Frogger wheelies. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so if you don't already know what a Frogger is or what a Frogger wheelie looks like, I'm going to drop the picture right here. So as you guys can see, that is a lot of knee flexibility. The whole movement is centered around putting your weight on your tiptoes, and your knees are really reduced. So you need to make sure that you are stretched out. And anything you want to do, whether it's stretching out your hamstrings first, touch your toes, whatever. But I really do suggest doing flamingos, which is, as you guys all know, touch your heel to your butt. That stretches out your knee. It gets some blood flow to it. And make sure that you don't actually tear a ligament when you're getting in the position. And yes, I have done it before. I tore a ligament in Frogger. I actually tore my meniscus getting into Frogger. One day I was jumping into it and I was getting a little bit crazy, but still the position in and of itself can really screw you up if you're not warmed up. So yeah, I just showed you the stretches that you need to do. I do them for a lot longer before I ride, and I warm up my muscles. It's going to help prevent injury, and it's really going to make sure that you don't end up in the ER like me and have to get surgery like I did a few years ago, getting into Frogger on a cold winter day. So without further ado, guys, let's start getting into the steps here. All right, guys, so the basis of every single one of these tank tricks and anything pretty much above a double back peg centers around the seat stander. So if you guys are not extremely proficient in the seat stander, maybe not doing circles like this yet, but if you guys can't slow down your seat standers and feel very comfortable in them, then maybe wait on this trick for a little bit longer. Practice on getting your seat standers 100%. But going on to Frogger here, you're going to need two big things here. You're going to need to be really confident in seat stander, number one. And number two, I guess this is better on the ground here that I show you. Number two, you're going to need a lip. No, you do not need a custom fab tank like this, but you do need something like, that both your feet can fit onto. So your bowl can be, just as good as a lip. I started on a bowl, but you need to make sure that you have something to step into. So if your tank's not dented yet, I probably wouldn't suggest doing Frogger. I wouldn't suggest putting all your weight on a flat tank that you're just going to slide right back onto the seat. So you need to make sure you have a tank here. And we're going to get into, kind of the steps of getting used to this. And every single one of these are going to kind of go the same way of getting you used to it. I found this, you're going to look really stupid if you're at the lot with all your friends or something like this, but whatever. Get in the seat stander on two wheels, like this, on two wheels, and don't look, and step up into your tank. So you're stepped up like that. Excuse my stupid loafers. These things are really stupid. I couldn't find my regular shoes, and these are like my little penny loafers. They're so stupid. So excuse them, and don't ride in anything like them, ever. And so stand up on your seat just like that. Hopefully you can see on this GoPro, and then step up onto there. That's it. That's it, guys. It's not that hard. You're gonna look a little bit like a clown, a little bit like a squid, whatever. Let them laugh at you for the day that you're learning this, but heck, you're gonna be a tank trick killing monster after this. So on to the next steps. Step number 2. That's gonna be starting the step with 1 foot. So just do the 1 foot. Go like this, come up, 1 foot, just like that. Just get comfortable with putting your foot up there in the first place. A little bit of stall action. A little bit of stall action in the how-to. So like I was saying, you're going to get used to putting 1 foot up there and getting used to that pressure up on the tank, and start eventually putting your body weight onto that foot. So it's eventually going to look like this. No, you guys don't have to be circling or anything like that along the way. But so you put this just like this and put your body weight up onto it. Just ran into a tree or into some branches. And start with the foot that you're more comfortable with. It was, I think, my left for me. So left foot, just like that. All your body weight up. There's the other foot. So just like that, guys, you're in Frogger. Take your time with it. This isn't something that comes really quick to a lot of people, but and then over exaggerate the knees like that. That helps a lot with stability. But guys, like I said, before you're over exaggerating that stretch, please, for the love of God, warm up your knees. Maybe you're not as old and brittle as me, but it's something that happened to me, so I don't want it to happen to you guys. Maybe not something I would suggest clutching up into. This is something that's probably better to step into as you're on a seat stander. So left foot, right foot, boom, we're there, jump back down. Do it one more time for you guys just so you get a good visual. Left, right, jump. You don't necessarily have to jump back down, although that is something that I felt comfortable doing right away. I did not like stepping back down. I liked the kind of little hop back down like a little bunny rabbit. So, alright guys, so just like every single one of my how-tos, take this with a grain of salt. It is not going to come as quick as this, what, 9-10 minute long video is. So take your time with it. Don't expect to go to the lot the same day and do it, but make sure you kind of go in those steps. I think those are the 3 basic steps of going through it. You know, starting on 2 wheels, stepping into it, starting with 1 foot, putting your body weight onto that 1 foot, and then third step is bringing that other foot up there and getting a full extension of your knees on it, so you get that full effect of a Frogger. So, hey guys, if you're feeling froggy, hopefully just jump. Warm up the front tire a little bit, maybe end it with a stoppie. The Frogger video ends in stoppies. Alright guys, before I end the video, I wanted to show you guys something that I'm super excited about, and I've worked on for a while. This is something that I've been asked to do, I've been told to do. When are you going to do something like this, Brian? I have released a Chicago stunt brand for stunners by stunners. It is called Misguided. We have just literally, you guys are the first bunch of people to see it. Just started producing them. It's all in-house. We have our own press. We have our own everything. And it's basically to not only fund the channel, but to fund more of our traveling and more getting videos for you guys. So if you guys like it or support me or anyone else from the city of Chicago that stunts, maybe look into checking out the website. If you guys, you know, like it or don't like it or just want to, you know, help support us, here it is. So I appreciate you guys as always, whether you buy that or not, or don't, you know, even watch the videos, whatever. I'm just happy you guys are here. So this is Brian636. If you liked the video, you already know, dislike it, unsubscribe, whatever you want to do. I don't care. But this is Brian636. I'm getting out of here. I hope you guys have a good weekend. Peace. I bring the light into the crowd.